Do you know that you can earn as high as $20 per audio hour for each transcription job you do, even as a beginner? Now, what is a transcription job? It's very simple. Transcription means you listen to an audio file and you type what you hear. A transcription job is one of the best jobs you can do from home, and TranscribeMe is one of the best websites where you can get a transcription job and get paid. This website allows you to work from home from any part of the world, and as a beginner you can earn as high as $20 per audio hour with bonuses included. Now, how do you apply for a transcription job on TranscribeMe? First of all, you need to register an account with TranscribeMe, where you'd have to fill in your information such as your name, your email address, your country, and your preferred language. After creating an account, a link will be sent to you via email, which will be used to confirm your email address. Click the link in the email and your registration will be completed. Before you can get a transcription job, you'll be tested by TranscribeMe. But before taking the test, you'll be given a guide in the form of a PDF file, which contains important information on the test you're about to take. It is advisable that you study the guide before taking the test so that you get familiar with the test questions. TranscribeMe test has two sections. In the first section, you have questions and options, while in the second section, you'll be given two audio files to convert to text. You have two chances to pass the test, but if you fail to pass the test after two chances, you will have to wait for 30 days before you can take the test again. After passing the test, you'll be able to get jobs on the TranscribeMe website. The audio files you'll be asked to transcribe are usually between 10 seconds to 1 minute. They are usually very brief. You'll be able to pick up an audio file, convert it to text, and submit it on the TranscribeMe website. After submitting your work, it will be reviewed and corrections will be made if necessary, and then you will get paid. But if your work requires too many corrections, it may be rejected and you might not get paid. So it's important to put in your very best efforts into the work. So, how do you get paid? TranscribeMe pays you per audio hour, and there's a difference between per hour and per audio hour. For example, you get paid 33 cents per minute of audio that you transcribe, which means that if you transcribe up to an hour of audio, you can get paid as high as $15 to $20. Now, the difference between per hour and per audio hour is that it might take more than 1 hour to transcribe 1 hour of audio. But the good news is that if you transcribe the audio files perfectly, you also get paid an extra $2 as bonus, which means that you can earn as high as $22 even as a beginner. Also, the more you work with TranscribeMe, you also have more opportunities to earn more money. For example, you can be promoted and also added to special teams. And some special projects pay you as high as $100 per audio hour. Now that's interesting, right? I think so. TranscribeMe also pays you through PayPal once in a week. You get paid in US dollars, and you can request your payment once your money has reached $20. I think you should try it out if you're interested in making extra money. And who knows, you might be able to make a career from doing transcription jobs. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. So, did you enjoy this video? If you did, then click the like button. And don't forget that sharing is caring. So if you have friends or loved ones that might find this video helpful, share this video with them. They will appreciate it. They will thank you for it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you get to see my videos when I upload them, because I discuss helpful business advice and job opportunities on this channel. So my parting words are take care and adios, which means goodbye.